Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete transaction in Zoho Books. So first, you may want to head over to Zoho Books and of course, make sure that you're logged into your account. Next, in the left panel, click on Banking. Next, scroll down and look for the transaction that you would like to delete. So in my case, I'm going to pick this specific bank, then view all your transactions. Then click on the specific transaction that you would like to delete. A small window on the side will pop up where it shows you all the transaction details. And under transaction details, you can see here a small bin icon. All you have to do is click on this and the prompt will show up asking you if you're sure in deleting this transaction. Proceed, head over and click on the OK button. This will delete this specific transaction. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video and I'll see you again on the next one. Bye!